got a variation on a very famous Mexican dish, chili rellenos. And normally you would roast and stuff the chilies, but today what I'll do is I'll seed and rib some Anaheim chilies and cut them into bite-sized pieces. I'm going to supplement them too with a can of green chilies. And I've got a casserole dish here that I'll spray to coat and lay a layer of those chilies in the bottom. Some of the canned chilies as well. And then I'll top that with a layer of Monterey Jack cheese. Then repeat by adding another layer of chilies and cheese. Now next I've got 3 beaten eggs in a large bowl, and I'll add in 2 cups of milk and some salt and then a half a cup of flour. And I'll mix it very well, and I'll pour it over the casserole and bake it in a 350 oven for about 40 to 45 minutes until it's puffed and golden. Now, I know I played fast and loose with the chili relleno recipe, but I think you're going to really like this casserole. I've cut mine into 4. Serve it with some cilantro on the side and a little bit of salsa. And I'll send you the recipe if you'll write to me here at the station or log on to the website and click on the Kitchen Guy link. I'm Chef Jim. Muchas gracias for watching Kitchen Guy, the tastiest 2 minutes in television. And I'll see you next time.